I have officially made $10,000 in the TikTok Creator Fund through TikTok clipping. And in this video, I'm going to dive into all the details of what I've done with this account. So going back into February of earlier this year is when I started the account. And I posted for 3 months on this account without getting paid a single dime. And for any of you that don't know, I take clips from Caleb Hammer's YouTube channel and post them on a TikTok podcast clip account. And keep in mind, it took hours and hours and hours every single day of building this page from scratch to be able to get it monetized. So in May of this year is when I officially got this account monetized. So I've gotten 4 payments from TikTok, so that means I've gotten an average payment of $2,500 each month. And TikTok pays out on the 15th of every month. And I made this amount from just editing basic clips and posting them. But the most time-consuming part is finding the right clips. There are a lot of AI tools out there that can help with this process, but I have yet to find an actual AI tool that can help me find the best moments in a podcast long-form video. Because from my experience, me as a human can find way better clips than an AI that I think that could go viral. But if any of you know of any really good AI tools, then let me know down below. But with these kind of videos, I just want to document my process with making 10K in the Creator Fund, then eventually hitting 20, 30, 40K hopefully if my account doesn't get banned. Because I still get violations here and there, but I do have a way that they get restored every time in the Creator Fund. And at the moment, I'm also building another TikTok clip account from another popular YouTuber who just started a podcast up. So I decided to make an account with them, and it's actually at 88 followers so far. But that's going to be for another video that I'm going to make in a few weeks. And from this past month from the TikTok Creator Fund, I did make $2,100. I had a couple insane videos that went really viral. And from this particular episode, this one dude was just really insane, and the things he was saying was just really clippable.
I can't stand for 8 hours.
Okay.
You little
Okay, sure.
You're a little
Okay.
You're afraid of me.
I was afraid that because I filmed with you in my condo beforehand that you might show up again based on the emails you sent.
Well, that's your fear, man.
So I really took advantage of that, and it really paid off with the amount of views that I got from this particular podcast episode. Now, the Creator Fund does really annoy me when it becomes the 19th day of every month. For the rest of the month, your RPM just tanks. I don't know if this is just my account or if TikTok does this with every account, but starting on the 19th, my RPM gets all the way down to like 30 to 40 cents, and then at the end of the month, it drops all the way down to like 4 cents. So for this time period, I just post 1 clip a day instead of posting more because that'll just take more time. And obviously, you're gonna make less money when your RPM tanks, so I just don't put as much time into it, so I just make sure to post 1 clip a day at the end of every month. And here are also the analytics from this page from the last 28 days, and seeing this is insane to see. As you can see right here, 7 million views. That is what I generated from these clips, and ultimately this helped garner more attention to Caleb Hammer and his YouTube channel, and I'm very grateful to be able to help him out in that way. And obviously, if you're posting podcast clips, make sure to tag the original creator because it's ultimately their content and we're just clipping it, and we want to garner as much attention as we can to their pages. If you're still watching this video, then that means you're probably interested in TikTok clipping in some sort of way, and I actually have a free Discord community in the description down below. And keep in mind, it's free. I have no hidden costs at all. I just have a community in there, and we try to give as much valuable as we can with people starting up their TikTok clipping pages. If you want to see more content like this, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.